Coach, finally after a lot of problems, a full roster, and a game where you had the chance to have all of your players. What went wrong and what went good by your perspective? Which were the good moments and which were the bad moments?
Okay, we knew they have a very talented team, so they, especially all three Americans, can score at will. So we knew they were going to be a problem, and we did good for 3 quarters. We stopped them relatively well, and that brought us a good high lead. In last quarter, I wanted to give a chance to the players who didn't play as much so far in the season. They didn't use it very well. It looked bad, so in the end we had to sub back to secure the win.
Coach, and how you see now the team when they are all together, and how can you say that you feel how it is right now, Pea's team?
We're getting better. We now had 1 full week to practice. Before Bashkimi, we basically didn't have a practice together because they met on walkthrough in the game day. When Dennis came back from the national team, Galloway disappeared, didn't come back from national team, so we had to sign a new player last moment. So this was our first week together. So in practice it looks better and better. Obviously, we're gonna see as the season continues.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you.
Ta rishëm edhe me kryetranieren e skuadrës së Peës, shkurt për përmbledhje atë që e tha që kemi ditur që ka një skuadër të lodhur ekipi Proton Cable Prizren dhe vetëm 3 amerikanët e tyre mund të shënojmë, mirë luajti skuadra dhe i ndalëm amerikanët, ndërsa në çerekun e 4 i dhash mundësi edhe lojtarëve të cilët nuk kanë shumë minutazh, megjithatë ata nuk e shfrytzuan mirë. Në fund, në pyetjen e dytë e pyeta se si e shaj skuadrën kur ata tashmë janë të kompletuar dhe si kanë shkuar gjërat së fundi, ai tha që pas problemeve të cilave i kanë përcjellur, vetëm këtë javë ka filluar skuadra të bashkohet dhe po ecin gjërat mirë, po shpresojmë që shohim si do shkojnë edhe gjërat në vazhdim. Atëherë, Rafa, për me të kem tani edhe kryetranieren e skuadrës së Proton Cable Prizrenit, Arno Rifatin.